Hello from Ågesta Naturistbad, Ågesta Nudist Beach, in the beautiful nature here in the Ågesta Nature Reserve. It is Wednesday, 30th of October 2024, and it's time for another beach adventure with Chris and exploring another beach, nudist beach here. So it took me 7.5 kilometers with my Scott gravel bike to get here, and it is a lovely sunny day here in Stockholm, more specifically Huddinge municipality, and the nudist beach is almost completely empty. As you can see, there is a huge green area and a small sandy part as well, and even a sauna for members that's open in the evening. Currently it is not. And over here the wind is very low, so it is perfect for a swim in Lake Magelungen. We have 12 degrees Celsius in the air and 10 degrees Celsius in the lake Magelungen, so quite nice if you ask me. So it's gonna be a super nice swim indeed, despite being the last day of October. And yes, we continue the beach adventures, beach day number 188 of my Sweden beach adventures, which means that we are very close to the end of the season. So let's continue in the best possible way. So this jetty is very nice for a quick swim today here. The water is 10 degrees Celsius, so it's not the best temperature if you ask me, but it's gonna be a nice swim for sure indeed. Here we have a sign that diving is forbidden, and I wasn't planning on diving after all. So yes, cool, another beautiful sunny day. I thought that this week is gonna be a lot colder than it actually was. We got a lot of sun as well, so let's continue the beach adventures as long as we can. And yeah, soon the cross-country ski season will start at the nearby facility here at Ågesta. That's actually a world-class facility for cross-country skiing. So with that said, it is time to take a swim and enjoy the beautiful day here in Ågesta Nudist Beach. So ready, set, and go! Whew. So nice indeed, quite refreshing. Just 10 degrees Celsius, but I'm pretty much now acquainted to this type of temperatures anyway, so I'm no stranger to the cold. So yes, Ågesta is, as I mentioned, in Huddinge municipality. Right across on the other side we can see the Farsta neighborhood with nice nature and some big buildings as well. On the other side we have Trångsund and Skogås as well. So yeah, beach adventures continue as planned, and let's see how the rest of the week will go, but it will be probably nice for some few more days before the winter comes back. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Ågesta Naturistbad, Ågesta Nudist Beach in Stockholm, one of the most popular ones, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.